Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the cutting-edge world of air defense with the Skynex system by Rheinmetall. Imagine a system so advanced it can track and eliminate multiple airborne threats simultaneously, from drones to missiles with pinpoint accuracy. That's Skynex in a nutshell. We'll break down its advanced tech, from its super sophisticated radar to its rapid-fire cannons that unleash a storm of projectiles. You'll see why this system is a game-changer in modern warfare. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. We've got a lot more to explore in the world of defense technology. Let's talk about a critical aspect of any air defense system: its ability to see what's coming. The Skynex system is like a hawk with high-tech goggles equipped with the Oerlikon X-TAR3D radar. This thing is no joke. It provides a complete 360-degree, three-dimensional view of the airspace. That means it can spot incoming threats from any direction, even in cluttered environments. But it's not just about seeing, it's about acting fast. The Skynex system can detect, track and engage multiple targets simultaneously. We're talking about a network of sensors and computers working at lightning speed to assess threats and deploy countermeasures. This automated fire control is what truly sets Skynex apart, allowing it to respond to attacks with incredible precision and speed. Remember the days when artillery was just about lobbing explosive shells over long distances? Well, those days are long gone. The Skynex system brings a whole new meaning to artillery with its CRAM capability. That's counter-rocket artillery and mortar. Here's the deal. Traditional artillery is slow and imprecise, but Skynex changes the game by intercepting incoming rockets, artillery shells and mortar rounds in mid-air. We're talking about a system so responsive it can take out threats that are practically on top of you. This is crucial in modern warfare, where these types of attacks can cause significant damage in a matter of seconds. One of the coolest things about the Skynex system is its modularity. Think of it like building with Legos. You can customize it to fit your specific needs. Need to protect a large military base? No problem, scale up the system with additional units. Defending a smaller mobile unit? Skynex can be configured for that too. But it's not just about size, it's about versatility. The Skynex system can integrate various weapon systems, from automatic cannons and surface-to-air missiles to even laser weapons. This adaptability makes Skynex a true force multiplier, capable of tackling a wide range of threats with the right tools for the job. Let's talk about the star of the show, the Oerlikon Revolver Gun Mk3. This 35mm cannon is the Skynex's primary weapon, and it's a beast. We're not just talking about spraying bullets here. This thing fires advanced ahead ammunition. Now this is where it gets really cool. AHEAD stands for Advanced Hit Efficiency and Destruction. Imagine this, each round fired by the revolver gun. Mk3 is like a tiny shotgun shell. As the round approaches the target, it releases a cloud of sub-projectiles, creating a lethal shotgun effect in the sky. This makes the Skynex incredibly effective against small, fast-moving targets like drones and missiles. We live in a connected world, and the battlefield is no exception. The Skynex system is designed to operate within a network defense ecosystem. This means it can share information seamlessly with other air defense systems, radar stations and command centers. Think of it like a team of defenders all communicating and coordinating in real time. This level of connectivity is crucial for maintaining situational awareness and responding to threats effectively. It allows for faster decision-making, better coordination of resources and ultimately a more robust defense. The Skynex system doesn't just operate in isolation. It becomes part of a larger integrated defense network. Drones have become a game-changer in modern warfare, and not in a good way. These small, unmanned aircraft are cheap, easy to deploy, and incredibly difficult to counter with traditional air defense systems. That's where the Skynex system shines. Skynex is specifically designed to counter the growing threat of drone swarms. Remember the Oerlikon Revolver Gun Mk3 and its AHEAD ammunition? That's the perfect weapon for taking out these small, agile targets. The system's advanced radar can track multiple drones simultaneously, and its automated fire control allows it to engage them with incredible speed and accuracy. The Skynex system isn't some clunky stationary system stuck in one place. It's designed for flexibility, and that means being able to deploy wherever it's needed, whenever it's needed. The system can be mounted on a variety of vehicle platforms, making it incredibly mobile and adaptable to different terrains. But it's not just about mobility on the ground. The Skynex can also be deployed in fixed installations, providing permanent protection for critical infrastructure or military bases. This flexibility makes it an ideal solution for a wide range of operational scenarios, from rapid deployments in response to emerging threats to long-term defense strategies. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We love exploring the world of cutting-edge defense technology, and we hope you found this deep dive into the Skynex system as fascinating as we do. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth looks at the latest in defense technology. We've got a lot more cool stuff to share with you. See you next time.